Is your phone not working and you're not sure why? Whether it won't connect, won't load apps, or just feels broken, don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through the most common reasons your phone isn't working and simple steps to fix it. Before diving deeper, try these quick fixes. They solve most issues right away. Restart your phone. Turn airplane mode on and off. Check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Make sure your phone isn't in low power mode. Update your device if an update is available. If your phone still isn't working after trying these quick fixes, let's look at the common causes of a phone not working and solutions. One of the most common reasons your phone isn't working is connection issues, such as weak or no Wi-Fi signal, cellular data turned off, network outages. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If neither works, check if your provider is having an outage. You can also reset your network settings to clear hidden connection issues. If specific apps aren't working, the problem may not be your phone. It could be the app. Check if the app needs an update, app is frozen or crashed, there are background bugs or glitches. Fix the app by closing and reopening it. Then, restart your phone. Next, check if the app needs to update. If that doesn't help, reinstall the app, which fixes most issues. If your phone feels slow or unresponsive, it's usually a performance issue. For example, the phone has too many apps open, storage is full, background processes running, close unused apps, and check your storage. If your phone is nearly full, deleting unused apps or files can make a big difference. Sometimes, the issue comes from your phone's settings or software. An outdated operating system, incorrect network settings, and software bugs can affect a phone's performance. Make sure your phone is updated to the latest version. If problems continue, resetting specific settings, like network settings, can help without deleting your data. If you've tried everything and your phone still isn't working, it may be a hardware issue. The phone may have physical damage, battery problems, internal component failure. In that case, contacting your device manufacturer or visiting a repair service may be the best next step. Common mistake. One common mistake people make is assuming their phone is broken when it's actually just a connection or settings issue. Avoid assuming it's hardware right away, restarting without checking connection, ignoring simple fixes. In most cases, problems like apps not loading or things not working properly are caused by internet issues, background activity, or small software glitches, not a broken phone. That's why it's important to go through a few quick checks before thinking about repair or replacement. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. SimpleTech Help. Tech made simple.